Alright, so likely if you're on Instagram or TikTok, you've probably seen like a bunch of these like really weird AI videos that have been popping up all the time. So I already did a video on this, but after talking to some people, I realized that there's actually a better way to do it. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Alright, so the site we're going to be using is called Pixverse, and as you see, you got the babies flexing on us. So I think we're in the right spot. And once you're here, you're just gonna scroll down to where it says create, and as you can see, there's already a bunch of videos here that I have that are made for other people. So as you can see, it's very similar to like what you see on Instagram and stuff. So this is a free service, but you do get like these weird like watermarks on them. So and what you need is still frames from some footage that you like recorded. So again, I showed in the other video how you can actually get still frames pretty simply and really easily. So if you want to see that, go ahead and check that video out. And so once you have all your clips, you're gonna go over here to where it says upload image or video, and you're gonna find wherever you saved your still frame, and you're gonna upload this here. And for the prompts, I would say keep it pretty simple. If you see with like a lot of these videos, a lot of times you're like transforming or morphing to things, so like try to think of that type of mindset. Like don't try to do anything like too crazy, you know what I mean? Just yeah, try to keep the prompts pretty simple. So for this one, I think what I'm gonna do is type the guy melts into a pool of thick red liquid. So I'm trying to refrain from using it with blood. I haven't really tested like the safety features on this one, but I'm pretty sure that they're not going to allow you to do that. So I think you have to come up with like creative ways to kind of describe what you want to see. So yeah, after you enter your prompt, just go over here to it says create, and it's about 30 credits to create a video. All right, so our video is done here. It's not exactly like melting into a pool of liquid, and this is what I mean when I say like you don't want to do anything like too crazy. But you can still see that the pool of liquid kind of falls into the ground, and it looks a lot, it has kind of that weird like kind of surrealism effect that a lot of those videos have. So yeah, feel free to kind of experiment with like different prompts and things so you can get what you want. Usually I run these about twice just because I want to see what it kind of does. But yeah, if you're satisfied with the video, you can hit download and download it, you know, straight away. But what I like to do actually is hit this button here where it says upscale. So if you don't know what upscaling is, all it is just kind of increasing the quality of the video. A lot of these generations are pretty low quality, so if you upscale it, it's just gonna add some more detail to it. So that costs only about 10 credits, so it's not too expensive. All right, so you can see here that the video is a lot more crispier. Like it's not as like blurry as the other one was. So yeah, now we're just gonna hit download, and I'm gonna drag that into your editor. Again, I'm not gonna get too much into the editing here, but just to kind of give a brief overview of what you're supposed to do, you're gonna take this video and then you're gonna line it up with the still frame from the original video, and then it's gonna transition into the AI clip. So yeah, hopefully this was a lot more helpful. Like I said, the other one I think was still useful. The other program I used was called Runway, and there's still a lot of cool stuff you can do with that. But I just think if you're going for this type of effect, I would say that this app is definitely the right way to do it.
Subscribe.